The second strategy is to focus on the theories used to generate the insights we've identified. We have two options. The first option is to identify the assumptions, strengths, and limitations of each theory. This requires us to read a lot. The more familiar we are with a discipline, the easier it is for us to identify relevant information, like relevant theories. Refer to tables 7.10 and 7.11 in the textbook for examples of this strategy. The other option is to evaluate the appropriateness of each theory using the 5 W questions we learned about earlier in the semester. Who is the agent? What does the agent do? How does the agent decide? When and where? Our goal when we use this first strategy is to identify the ways in which these theories are skewed in their understanding of the problem. Our job is to be critical of these theories and their contributions to the problem. None of them are perfect, none of them are complete, and our task is to identify how.